What's good, guys? So in this video, we're gonna be going over some major breakthroughs. I feel like I'm cracking the code to everything right now. I feel like I'm cracking the code to everything right now. Let me go over number one, so y'all know what I'm on to. So y'all see my mindset, okay? Hmm. Hmm. Now there is a science to tea brewing, okay? There's a science to tea brewing. My teapot is 20 ounces. 4 green tea bags from Lipton. It tastes like straight up ass. 2 tea bags from Lipton. It tastes like water. 3 tea bags from Lipton. 3 tea bags from Lipton. That shit tastes gas. All right. So there's a science to this. There's a science to this. Now, what are we going to go over right now? What are we going to go over right now? I'm about to put y'all on, all right? The science to creating a successful game, all right, from my point of view, right? Why should you listen to me too? Like, you know what I mean? Like, not only have I worked for companies for a few years on the platform and seeing their data from the inside, but also outside. Before I was a programmer, I did marketing for around 7 years. So I do see a lot of these patterns, right? Now I've been kind of putting pieces together, okay, but I just realized a way to explain it. Okay, so how can you create a successful game? What does your game need to have? What do you need to meet? What factors do you need to meet in order to ensure success for your game? And that's 2 factors, okay? 2 key points. That's what I'm going to break it down to. 2 key points, and you can ensure that your game be successful. And a lot of people in this community are in this, Roblox dev space, whatever, this very weird niche community, um, are gonna say, oh, it's build quality too. Quality of assets, quality of assets. Look at grow your garden, dude, and tell me that it's quality of assets. Look at a ton of the other first page games and tell me that it's quality of assets. That argument is just dead. They can die on that hill. I don't care. All right, but here, 2 key points has nothing to do with build quality. 2 key points. One key point is game loop and polish smoothness of mechanics. Okay, how are your mechanics? Do they make sense? Are they smooth? Can the player play for hours and it just has that seamless smoothness to it, that seamless polish to it, where it's still fun after a few hours of play? The game loop. Can the player constantly be going in the loop of the game and not get distracted, not get disrupted by anything in the game? All right. Is the game loop smooth running? Okay. That's key point number one. Key point number two is unique, and it doesn't always have to be unique. And I will say the unique side can sometimes be from the theme. I will say that, but it doesn't always have to be theme related. It doesn't always have to be theme. It can just be something unique in the game that not other games have. Can that unique feature be theme based? I think so. Can it not be theme based and just like an added thing in the game? I do think so. So it doesn't always have to be theme based, right? So a unique feature and engaging. Is it also engaging? Is the feature engaging? Is the aspect engaging? So it has to be unique and engaging. I don't think it always has to be unique. I think you just ensure your success with it being unique. I think there's just no way for you not to have success if it's not if it's unique. Okay? So those are the two key points, and I think that you can ensure your game's success with just meeting those two key points. Game loop makes sense. Game loop smooth running. Mechanics are smooth and polished. They also make sense. Engaging aspects in the game, and to really ensure that success, have it be a unique aspect as well. It can be one unique feature. It can be one unique aspect in the game that sets it apart from the competition. Yeah, I think this is it, you guys. I think this is it. I'm locked in. I gotta drink that tea. All right. Stay locked in, dude. Stay locked in. Let's go. See you guys on the next one. Peace.